Hey everyone, this is JT with the solution to my ring around a Doge puzzle. Hopefully you had fun solving it and looking at it. This one was solved fairly quickly after I posted it, and I didn't intend for this one to be too difficult, so I'm glad that someone was able to solve it quickly, and hopefully everyone else had fun solving it or at least watching it. So, with a Dogecoin wallet, the private key format is actually a little bit different than Ethereum. When I first made the tutorial videos, I assumed I'd be making all of my puzzles just on Ethereum, but I branched out and made a couple on Doge. So the private keys are a little bit different. They include lowercase letters as well as uppercase, and they're not hexadecimal. I think it's base 58. And correct me on that if I'm wrong, but I believe it's just base 58. So how did I differentiate between lowercase and uppercase then? Well, there's four Doge, there's four Doge surrounded by 10 pentagons. Each pentagon has a star in them. Two of the Doge are upside down, two are right side up. Two have these cooler colors, and two have these warmer colors. So the key is that if it's a pentagon being filled in, then it's a letter. And if it's one of the warmer colors that go clockwise, that is a lowercase letter. And if it's a bluer one with the cooler colors, that's going to be an uppercase letter. And then when the stars fill in, that indicates that that digit of the private key is a number. So you'd probably have to, if you were solving this, you'd probably have to try a few different things. You might notice that there's only ever a maximum of 9 stars that fill in. So that could indicate that that's a number. And then you would probably have to, if you try lowercase with the blues, uppercase with the reds, then you wouldn't get the right key. So you might have to switch those and try it the other way around. But just a tiny bit of guessing and checking on this one, but not too bad. So all right, let's start this from the beginning. So first thing that happens is that these 6 yellow stars fill in. So the first number in that private key is a 6. The next pattern to fill in are the blue pentagons around this Doge here. There's 10 of them, so that starts with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J is the 10th letter of the alphabet, and since it's blue, that's going to be a capital J, so that's the second one. Next we have this pattern here. It's another blue, so another capital. This time it's A, B, C, D, E, F, so a capital F. Next we have some yellows and oranges filling in on the bottom left Doge. If J is going all the way around, and we start going around again, so we start with K, so K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. So next letter is a lowercase q. Then we had Doge on the upper right, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's going to be a lowercase g. So continue in that fashion throughout the rest of the puzzle, and you'll get the full private key. Here it is. This one is, I believe, 51 digits long, so fewer digits than an Ethereum private key. If you follow the link in the description of that video to claim the prize, which the person who solved this did, you'd come to this website, my.dogecoin.info. Here you can redeem a paper wallet. Asks for a private key. If you don't enter a valid one, it'll give you this warning. In this case, I just had a couple spaces in there from copying it over. All right, now it's valid, it's green, looks good. Click redeem paper wallet. In this case, since the price has been taken out of it, it gives you this warning that the address has no balance. If there was still a prize in here, it would tell you the balance and then ask what you want to do with that. Ideally, you want to take that prize out and put it in your own wallet. So this one's already been solved. That's why there's nothing in here. So then you just click, you'd put in your own address and transfer it out. Just a very quick description on how I made some of these keys. I just made some off of, you just generate a Dogecoin paper wallet, think this is dogecoinpaperwallet.com or something like that. But anyway, you can just generate random keys. If you're going to be storing a lot of money in one of these addresses, this is probably not the safest way to do it. But here we can see what the private key looks like. As I said earlier, it's a mix of lowercase and uppercase letters as well as numbers. And again, this is probably 51 digits long. So there's that. You can generate as many of these as you want. Again, just a warning, if you're storing a large amount of Doge on an address, there's more secure ways to do it than this, but this is just kind of a quick and easy way for me to generate these for the puzzles I make. So congratulations to the person who is able to solve this, and good luck solving the other puzzles.